So after the fun day, we're changing the oil, fellas. What is it? YFZ, Yamaha YFZ 450. We're gonna need a 10 millimeter socket to remove the skid plate. So it's 2 bolts here, and then it's Allen key, 4 of them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is, I believe, number 5. Yep. This is 5, right? Yeah. It is. Okay, let's do this. And this is all you guys gonna need to replace oil in this beast. So 2 quarts of oil, 14 millimeter socket, 12 millimeter socket, and 10 millimeter socket. I don't know if you're gonna need this one. I got some extra nuts on it, so, and the Allen 5, number 5 for the skid plate and the oil filter. Two bolts. Okay, there is nuts on the top. Actually, 2 of them. I didn't notice. Check this out, fellas. Right here. Right there. There's nuts on the top of the bolt. This one out. The second one is stuck there. Like that, fellas. Look. Skid plates off. Alright, fellas, so this thing got the dry sump oil system. So we got the oil tank right here. The drain plug is right here, 12 millimeter bolt, and the crankcase drain plug is right here, just below the shifter, and it's 14 millimeters right here. So let's drain this. All right, boys, I got this one loose. Okay, it's draining. Okay, so the tank is empty. I got this bolt loose. So let's see what's going on here. Okay. It's still dripping a little bit, but I forgot to show you. Here is the oil filter inside it. I got it right here. Super small thing. And to remove this, you're gonna need the same Allen tool that that goes to remove the skid plate. So it's number 5 again. I'm gonna remove the cover now. I got it loose, so it's coming off easy now. Oop. It's draining. Putting my hand in front of the camera. Sorry, fellas. So it's 3 different sizes. This one is short, this one is a little longer, and this one is super long. Holy moly. It looks like it was never changed. Okay. Let's see what we got here inside. Okay, filter only. Brand new. So I'm gonna keep this O-ring here. This one's here too, because there's one here. I don't know if they should be replaced or not. I'm doing this for the first time. It looks like they didn't get this O-ring, so I'm just gonna reuse them. Okay, so the filter is going back in like this. And then the cover, I'm gonna clean it before I put it on. So let's put this back on. This way. Just like that, guys. So here is the longer bolt. Then the bottom one is the second in length. And then it's the short one right here. Exhaust is still warm. Let's see if it's sitting straight. Yes. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some oil. It takes about 1.53 quarts. So I don't know, around 1.5 liter, 9.4. this oil. A little bit. Let me see. Still slowly dripping, but it's empty. And this is the 12 millimeter on the oil tank. And now the plug here on the crankcase, guys. This one is the 14 millimeters. Okay, now I'm gonna put this oil away because I don't want to spill it all over my garage. It happened before. Not pretty. Okay, got the funnel. I got 2 quarts of oil. I'm using the Valvoline 10W4. 10W40 Valvoline, full synthetic. So it's supposed to take about 1.5 quart. And you fill straight to the tank. And after putting 1 quart, fellas, you can see it's just below empty. So it may take a little more. We'll see. I'm gonna put half of this one now. Let me see. Let's check. Yes, it's full now. Okay. I'm gonna start the engine for a few seconds before I put the skid plate back on. Just to check for leaks. It's dry. The flux. Good to go. I'm gonna put the skid plate back on. Alright guys, 0 leaks. Just check all around. So we're going back with the skid plate, fellas. there's 4 Allen bolts. Let me put this thing right here. So there is 4. Two on the back, 2 in the middle, and 2 10mm on the front. Alright, now there's 2 long 10mm bolts on the front. Hold on guys, skip plate is on. Let me recheck the oil now, because after the engine runs it sucks some oil for sure. Yes, so it's on minimum. I don't think you see it, but it's on minimum. I'm gonna put a little more. So I think it's gonna be about right. 1.5. Let's recheck. 1.5 quart. Yes, now it's in half, between full and empty. Let's do it again. Maybe a little lower, so a little lower than in half. So we're gonna put a little bit more. Now it's in half. So a few more drops. Okay, this is gonna be enough. Let's see. Yeah. Now it's like quarter before full. I don't think you can see this, fellas, but I'm gonna leave it like this. So that's it, guys. Ciao.